Assalamu alaikum, my dear class fellows and my respected professor Dr. Muhammad Azizur Rahman.
My name is Muhammad Ruman Shahab and student ID F2019109049. The presentation topic given to us by Professor Dr. Muhammad Azizur Rahman is non-homogeneous linear difference equation with constant coefficient. We are two members who present this topic. Muhammad Ruman Shahab, student ID F2019109049, and Hafiz Muhammad Amir, student ID is F2019109032. Now let's go towards the history of non-homogeneous linear difference equation with constant coefficients. In mathematics, differential equation traces the development of differential equation from calculus, which independently invented by English physicist Isaac Newton and German mathematician Gottfried Leibniz. In concise form, from a synopsis of the recent article, the history of differential equation subject is in 1670 to 1950. Differential in 1670, after Newton fluxional equations. In 1680, differential equation began with Leibniz, the Bernoulli brothers, and others. In 1822, Fourier published his work on heat flow in the analytic theory of heat, in which he based his reasoning on Newton's law of cooling, namely that the flow of heat between two adjacent molecules is proportional to the extremely small difference of their temperatures. Now, its connection to difference equation. Theory of differential equation is closely related to the theory of difference equation, which assume only discrete values, and relationship involves only unknown function or functions and values at nearby coordinates. Many methods to compute numerical solution of differential equation or study the properties of differential equation involve the approximation of the solution of a differential equation by the solution of corresponding difference equation. Non-homogeneous linear difference equation with constant coefficients. In this segment, we discuss how we solve non-homogeneous linear differential equation. So let's start with general solution to the non-homogeneous linear equation. Consider this is our linear differential equation, non-homogeneous linear differential equation, and this is the associated homogeneous equation which called complementary equation, and we have another part is called particular solution. The particular solution is that contains equation that contain no arbitrary constant. Is called particular solution. We have a theorem that prove our general solution to non-homogeneous linear equation. The statement of theorem is, let yp of x be any particular solution to the non-homogeneous linear differential equation, and this is our linear differential equation, non-homogeneous linear differential equation. Also, let c1 y1 of x plus c2 y2 of x denote the general solution to the complementary equation. Then the general solution to the non-homogeneous equation is given by, this is our general solution, and we prove that this is our general solution that satisfied this equation. Prove that y of x is the general solution. We show that differential equation, and second it solves differential equation. Y of x is general solution, and first we show that it solves our differential equation, and second that any solution to the differential equation can be written in the form substituting y of x into the differential equation. So we have this this equation, and y of x is equal to this, and this is our left hand side of this equation, and we put y of x, these values in at this y, and we form this, and we separated the value of yp and other c1 y1 and c2 y2 separated from y of p, and we considered this is our complementary function and is equal to 0. So this is 0, and this is our particular solution, and this is r of x is equal to r of x. So y of x is a solution. Now let z of x be any solution to this equation, then put y double prime is equal to z minus y of p, z minus y p prime, and z y minus y p. Also separate z and y p value, and z of x solution of this equation, so this is also equal to r of x, and minus this is also equal to r of x is equal to 0. So z of x minus yp of x is a solution to the complementary equation, but we have a solution is c1 and c1 y1 of x plus c2 y2 of x is a general solution to the complementary equation. So these are constant c1 and c2 such that this equation this equation equal to this. Hence we said yp goes toward right side and becomes positive. This is our theorem's proof. Now we have an example to verify the general solution. Given yp of x is particular solution to the differential equation. This is a differential equation and yp of x is particular solution to this equation. Write the general solution and check by verifying that solution satisfy the equation. The solution is, first we have a complementary equation this, and the general solution is c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. So the general solution to the non-homogeneous equation is y of x equal to this c1 cos x plus c2 sin x plus x. To verify that is this is a solution, substitute it into the differential equation. We want y double derivative plus y. First we take derivative of this equation. Y prime is equal to minus c1 sin x plus c2 cos x plus 1, and take derivative again. Y double prime is equal to minus c1 cos x minus c2 sin x. Then we substitute these values in this equation, and we have minus c1 cos x minus c2 x plus c1 cos x plus c2 sin x plus x, and we got y double prime of x plus y of x is equal to x. So the solution y of x is a solution to this equation. And we have some types that evaluate our particle integral. First we have type 1. In type 1, if r of x, it means the right hand side of equation is r of x is equal to a power x, then our particular integral is 1 over phi of e into a power x, and a power x over phi of a if phi of a does not equal to 0. We have some examples there. Solve the difference equation y x plus 1 minus 5y of x is equal to 2 raised to power x. The solution is, this is our given equation, and this is our associated equation. And now to find the complementary function, put is equal to 0, and the auxiliary equation is m minus 5 is equal to 0, and here's m is equal to 0, and the complementary function, the value of complementary function is c dot 5 raised to power x. And the particular integral, we have this particular integral at this side, and so particular integral is 1 over phi of e and 1 over e minus 5 into 2 raised to power x, and e, where e is our 2, so 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 2 raised to power x over 3, and the general solution is y of x is equal to complementary function plus particular integral, and this is our general solution. Now we have another example. Solve the differential equation yx plus 2 minus 5yx plus 1 plus 6yx equal to 4 raised to power x, where we have some conditions. Y0 is equal to 0, y1 equal to 1. So first we have given equation is this, and we form this equation, and to find the complementary function of this equation we put equal to 0, and the auxiliary equation is this m square minus 5m plus 6 is equal to 0, and we got m's 2 value 3 and 2, and the complementary function is c1 2 raised to power x plus c2 3 raised to power x, and the particular integral of this equation is 1 over 5 of e is e square minus 5e plus 6 4 raised to power x, and where e is our 4, and 4 square minus 5 multiplied by 4 plus 6 is equal to 4 raised to power x over 2, and we got our particular integral 4 raised to power x over 2, and general solution is y(x) is equal to cf plus complementary function plus particular integral, and our complementary function is c1 2 raised to power x plus c2 3 raised to power x plus 4 raised to power x over 2, and given we have some conditions, so put x is equal to 0 and 1 in equation number 1. We got c0 is equal to c1 2 raised to power 0 plus c2 3 raised to power 0 plus 4 raised to power 0 over 2, and we got this, and we form this equation 2c1 plus 2c2 is equal to minus 1, and y1 is equal to c1 dot 2 plus c2 dot 3 plus 4 over 2, and we got this equation. So we solve third and second equation, subtract second from third, and we got c2 is equal to 0. So c2 is equal to 0 to, so 2c1 is equal to minus 1 and c1 is equal to minus 1 by 2. So put this value in this equation, and this is our general solution. And now we have a type 2. If r of x is equal to x raised to power a, where a is a non-negative integer, and x is r of x is our equal to x raised to power a. So the particular integral is 1 over 5 of e into r of x, and 1 over 5 of e into x raised to power a, and e in this form e is equal to 1 over plus delta, and this is operator, and its power raised to power minus 1 if it goes to upside into numerator. ठीक है. Solve the difference equation. We have some examples. Solve the difference equation y(x plus 1 minus 2y of x is equal to x raised to power 2. So the solution is y(x plus 1 minus 2y, this is our given equation, and we form this equation. So for complementary equation, we put this equation equal to 0, and auxiliary equation m minus 2 equal to 0, and m is equal to, we have some m is equal to 2. The complementary function is equal to c dot 2 raised to power x, and the particular integral is this 1 over e minus 2, where e is 1 plus delta minus 2 raised to power x, and we got from this equation is this 1 over minus 1 plus delta x square, and they have minus 1 into 1 minus delta raised to power minus 1 x square, and we binomial, and we put binomial series this at here this point, and we got minus 1 into 1 plus delta square plus up to so on plus x square. We ignore highest power, so minus x square plus del x square plus del square x square. First we solve del x square, and then we solve del square x square. First we solve del x square is equal to x plus 1 whole square minus x square. The x plus 1 whole square is x square plus 2x plus 1 minus x square this, and we got this value 2x plus 1. Now we solve del square x square, implies that del into del x square. We got del x square is equal to x plus 1, and put value del x square in this equation, and 2 del x plus del x. We have del x is equal to 0. We have del x is equal to x plus 1 minus x. So particular integral is this, and the general solution is yx equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So yx equal to c dot 2x 2 raised to power x, and particular integral is minus into x square plus 2x minus 3. So we have another example of this type. Solve the difference equation 3 yx plus 1 minus yx equal to x. The given equation is this, and we form this equation. To find complementary function, solve 3e minus 1 yx equal to 0. The auxiliary equation is 3m minus 1 equal to 0, m is equal to 1 over 3. First we solve is this complementary function and its value is c into 1 over 3 raised to power x. Then particular integral is 1 over 3 e minus 1 into x, and e is 1 plus del, and we got this only 1 over 2 plus del x. We get 2 common from this 2 plus del, and we got 2 into 1 plus del over 2 into x, and this is 1 over 2 1 plus del over 2 raised to power minus 1 x. We ignore here higher power, we apply binomial series binomial theorem, and we apply binomial theorem, and we ignore here higher power, and we got 1 over 2 into 1 minus del over 2 into x, and 1 over 2 into x minus del x over 2, and we open this equation and we have 1 over 2 x minus 1 over 2 and x plus 1 minus x. So we got 1 over 2 x minus 1 over 2 equal to 2x minus 1 over 4. This is our particular integral. So the general solution is y(x) equal to complementary function plus particular integral y of x equal to c into 1 over 3 raised to power x plus 2x minus 1 over 4. And the other parts of this presentation is presented by Hafiz Muhammad Amir.
Assalamu alaikum sir. My name is Hafiz Muhammad Amir Sadiq and my student ID is F2019 1090 32. The topic which I am going to present is non-homogeneous linear difference equation with constant coefficient. This presentation has two parts. First part is presented by Roman Shahab and the other parts which I am going to present. First of all, I will discuss history. In mathematics, the history of differential equation traces the development of differential equation from the calculus, which itself was independently invented by English physicist Sir Isaac Newton and German mathematician Leibniz. The history of the subject differential equation is concise form from the synopsis of recent article, The History of Differential Equation 1670 to 1950. Differential equation begins with the Leibniz, the Bernoulli's brother, and other from 16 to 18, not long after Newton's fluxional equation in 1670. The connection of difference equation. The theory of differential equations is closely related to the theory of difference equation, in which the coordinates assume only discrete values and the relationship involves the values of unknown functions or functions the value of nearby coordinates. Many methods to compute the numerical solution of differential equation or study to properties of differential equation involves the approximation of the solution of differential equation by the solution of corresponding difference equation. To solve the non-homogeneous linear difference equation with constant coefficients have two roots, one complementary function and the other is particular integral. When we add complementary function and particular integral, we will get the general solution of the non-homogeneous linear difference equation. There are five types of particular integrals. The first two parts are presented by a group member Roman Shahab, and the third, fourth and fifth parts I am going to present. The third type states that if non-homogeneous equation is r of x is equal to a raised to power x into g of x, where g of x is polynomial of x, then the particular integral will be in the form of 1 over phi of x a raised to power x into g of x, which is equivalent to a raised to power x 1 over phi of a into e multiplied by g of x. Here example, yx plus 1 minus ayx is equal to 2x plus 1 into a raised to power x. It is the third type of non-homogeneous linear difference equation. Now we solve The given equation is that now we shift operator eyx minus ayx is equal to 2x plus 1 into a raised power x. Here we take yx is common and put equal to 0 due to complementary function, and now we become the auxiliary equation m minus a. Instead of e we put m minus a is equal to 0. Here m is equal to a. The complementary function will be c a raised power x, and we check out the particular integral which is stated above, which is 1 over e minus a into 2x plus 1 into a raised power x. Here their shift operator we multiply by a raised power x into 1 over a e minus a and 2x plus 1. Here we take common a by denominator, a raised power x by a into 1 over e minus a into 2x plus 1. We know that shift operator is equal to e is equal to 1 plus forward operator. We put the value in the form of a raised power x over a 1 over 1 plus e of, instead of e, 1 plus del minus a 1 into 2x plus 1. Now a raised power x over a into 1 over del into 2x plus 1. We take forward operator in inverse form 2x plus 1, and in the inverse form of del operator we use the binomial series. We multiply by forward operator by 2x plus 1. We get the result this. Now 2 into 1 over del, forward operator is in the form of 1 over del into x plus 1 over del into 1. 2 into x square, 1 over del represent the integration of the x. We take the integration of x which is equal to x square over 2, and constant integration has x, which is now a raised power x minus 1 and into x square plus x. Now a raised power x minus 1 into x minus 1 plus x, which is equivalent to x square into a raised power x minus 1, which is the general solution of the equation, which is yx is equal to complementary function and particular integral, which is yx c dot a raised power x, which is complementary function, and particular integral x square into a raised power x minus 1. Now we move the example number 2, which is yx plus 1 minus 2x, which is equal to 4 raised power x into x square minus 2x. Solution is that the given equation is that we put the x plus 1 in the shift operator. We know that shift operator is yx minus 2yx, which is equal to 4 raised power x into x square minus 2x. Now we take common yx, and e minus 2 is equal to 4 raised power x square minus 2x. To find the complementary function, to solve that e minus 2 into y of x, which is equal to 0. For the auxiliary equation we put e instead of m. M minus 2 is equal to 0. Here m is equal to 2. We have complementary function c dot a raised to power x. Here a is equal to 2. We find the value of m. The complementary function will become as c dot 2 raised power x. The particular integral is 1 over e minus 2 into x square minus 2x. Now here a is 4. We multiply by e by 4 raised power x into 1 over 4 e minus 2 into x square minus 2. According to the particular integral, 4 raised power x divided by 2 because we have common by denominator 2 into 2e minus 1 into x square minus 2, which is equivalent to 4 raised power x over 2 into 1 plus del. Here we put the shift operator, which is equal to 1 plus del and minus 1 here into x square minus 2. Now 4 raised power x by 2 into 1 plus 2x del into x square minus 2x, which is that 4 raised power x into by 2, and the denominator value will become in the inverse minus 1 and x square minus 2x. Now on inverse value, here we apply binomial series 1 minus 2 del forward operator plus 4 del operator square and so on into x square minus 2x. Here 4 raised power x by 2 into 1 minus 2 del plus 4 del square into x square minus 2x. Now we multiply by this braces into this. We 1 multiply by x square 2 minus 2 del operator multiply this, we have this, and by applying multiple 4 del operator 4 del square is equal into 4x square minus 2x, which is this. Now we have to find the values of this forward operator del into x square minus 2x and the value of del square into x square minus 2x, which is del into x square and which is equal to by multiplying this del square minus 2 del x, which is equal to x plus forward operator, which is x plus 1 square minus x square and minus 2 into forward operator by applying forward operator, which is 2 into x plus 1 and minus x, which is equivalent to x square plus 2x plus x minus x square minus 2, which is equal to 2x minus 2. Here which is the value of del into x square minus 2x. Now we find the value of del square into x square minus 2x, which is del square x square minus 2x, which is equivalent to del into x square minus 2x. We have the value already. Find the value of del into 2x minus 1, which is equal to 2x minus 1. This we put here forward operator and into value of this, which is equal to 2x minus 1. We put here forward operator into 2x minus 1, which is by multiplying 2 into del x plus forward operator into minus 1, which is equal to that 2 into x plus 1 minus x plus constant have 0, which is equal to 0. This is the value of del square into x square minus 2x. Now we put the particular integral. Particular integral is 4 raised to x by 2 into x square minus 2x minus 2 into 2x minus 1 2 plus 4 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 4 raised to x by 2 into x square minus 6x plus 10. Now we know that the general solution, which is equal to yx complementary function plus particular integral, which is equal to, this is the complementary function and which is the particular integral. We add them, which is give us the general solution of this equation. Now which is the type of particular integral? Type 4. If in non-homogeneous equation r raised to power x, which is equal to sin ax cos ax, like r of d square plus dy, which is equal to sin ax, then the particular integral will become as 1 over phi of e sin ax. We discuss this by example. We have the equation yx plus 1 minus yx, which is equal to sin 2x. Here r of x is equal to sin ax. The solution, the equation given that and e we shift it into shift operator, which is equal to this. We take common yx e minus 1, which is equal to sine 2x. Now similarly the complementary function, we put it equal to 0, and then we find the auxiliary equation, which is m minus 1, which is equal to 0. Here m is equal to 1. We know that the complementary function is equal to c1 dot a raised power x. Here m is equal to 1 raised power x, which is equal to 1. So the complementary function is c1. Now we find the particular integral of this above equation, which is in the form of 1 over 5 shift operator minus 1 into sine 2ax. Here we put the value of shift operator 1 plus del minus 1 and sine 2x. Here 1 minus cancel and 1 over del sine 2x. Here inverse, we take inverse forward operator inverse sine 2x, which is integrate. We will have the value minus 1 over 2 sine 1 into cos 2x minus 1. The general solution will become complementary function plus particular integral. We know that the c1, which is the complementary function, and here which is the particular integral. Now we move type 5. If in non-homogeneous linear difference equation, constant is in the form of r1x plus r2 of x, which is equal to that r1 of x is a raised power x, r x raised power r cos ax sin ax, r2x a raised power x, x raised power r, similarly above. Then we have the particular integral in the form of 1 over 5 of e into r1 plus r2 of x. We divide this, which is particular integral 1 and particular integral 2. The general solution will become as complementary function particular integral 1 and particular integral 2. We check this by example. We have yx plus 1 plus x plus yx plus 1 plus 3yx x plus 2 raised power x. The solution we have, the given equation is, we apply shift operator and x raised power x plus 2 raised power x. Here we take common. Similarly we have solved previous examples. The complementary function, we put it equal to 0 and we find the value of m by auxiliary equation. Here m is equal to minus 3. The complementary function, which is equal to c a raised power x. Here m is equal to minus 3 of x. Now we find the particular integral of above equation. The particular integral is 1 over e plus 3 into 2 raised power x plus x, 2 raised power x and plus x. Here we divide it into two parts, particular integral 1 and particular integral 2. We first solve the particular integral 1, which is in the form of 1 over e plus 3 into 2 raised power x, which becomes the type 1. Now 2 raised power x, where e we put a. Here a is equal to 2. We put in e, which is equal to 2, so 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5, 2 raised power x, which is the value of particular integral 1. Now we find the particular integral, which is this particular integral 1 over e plus 3 into x, which is the type 2, and we apply the value of shift operator, which is equal to 1 plus del, and with 1 over 1 plus del, which is plus 3 into x. Here this become 1 over 4 plus del into x. Now we take common 4 by denominator, which becomes the 1 over 4 into 1 plus forward operator by 4 into x. Now we take the value in above in the form of inverse into x like as, and we apply here binomial series, which is equal to 1 minus del by 4 plus del square over 16 square 4 squares is equal to 16 and so on into x. Now 1 over 4 we multiply x into this 1 over 4 x multiplied by 1 x and forward operator by 4 into del x and neglecting the higher values, which is in the form of 1 over 4 x minus 1 over 4 forward operator which is the equivalent to x plus 1 minus x, which is 1 over 4 x minus 1 over 4 which is 1 over 16 4x minus 1. The general solution will become as complementary function plus particle integral 1 and particle integral 2. Here complementary function, particle integral 1 and particle integral 2. This is the general solution of the type 4. The general solution which is complementary function plus particle integral 1 and plus particle integral 2. Here complementary function which is c dot 2 raised to power x, particle integral have the value minus into x plus 1 plus particle integral 3 raised to power x. We add them, which is general solution of the type 5. Now we have the applications of the linear differential equation with constant coefficients. We even use differential equation crossing the road. We look at the either side of the road and based on the approaching vehicle spread or judge our steps to cross the road. The only thing in that we are so much used to make judgment that it becomes our natural instinct to react during the act of crossing the road, but it's all our mind and the result of differential equation. Here are some application in medicine for modeling cancer growth and spread the diseases, and in engineering we use this for describing the movement of electricity, in chemistry modeling the chemical reaction and computer radioactive of half-life, in economics we find the optimum investment strategies, in physics to describe the motion of waves, pendulum system. It also used in the physics with Newton's law of motion of cooling, etc. As you see from the above example, unless you are a physicist, chemist or biologist or engineer or any branch of education, chances that you might not to get the chance to use the differential equation. Now we have some advantages and some disadvantages of the differential equation, which is very easy procedure. Assume that a good guess. Differential equation deals with all the type of different functions like we have discussed in the previous type 5s, which is all the type 5 we have discussed, which have different functions, and the differential equation have solved the difficult problems, and it helps to analyze the system that undergoes a continuous change. Many parameters in our daily life like speed, pressure, temperature and power are not constant. Their values keep changing depending on the variables that these parameters are depend on. Here some disadvantages. The disadvantage of differential equation is that it may not have the solution that you can express in the term of elementary function, and it requires the substantial mathematical machinery to understand them at any place. And the second one, disadvantage, which is difficult to guess the particular integral. We have 5 types of particular integral. We don't understand eventually which type we have to use to solve this. Limitations on number of equation we can solve based on the form of the R of x. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you.